Hi everyone, we got a great product to show off for you today. It is the ultimate food container. Guys, this is FDA approved, microwave and freezer safe, and just take a look. They're reusable, they're perfect for food portioning. It's gonna help you stay healthy while you wanna go to work, and there's plenty of them. That's gonna make sure that you guys, you have enough containers throughout the week or weeks if you don't want to do them for a while. So guys, we'll go ahead and show you how these things work. Here's one, for example. You got your portions, everything like that. We'll go down to the bottom, grab one for you real quick, and you can see right here as well that you have your portions. It's going to help you portion control. It's going to be able to for you so you can actually pick what kind of food you're eating and everything like that. We'll go ahead and just show you how easily this snaps on as well. Just like that, boom, and we're on. I can put this in the freezer, the microwave. It's going to stay on there as well. It's very, very durable. It's can last in the hardest conditions. It's actually going to keep your food hot and warm and or cold as well. And it's very lightweight as well. It's great material, and it's good to go, guys. Great product we have here. There's 20 of them in each pack. Like I said, 120% refund if you are not guaranteed with your with what you got. Guys, fully recommend this product. Go ahead, check it out. Start eating better, healthier, and better proportions now. Thanks for watching.